This looks like a community bathhouse for chickens. They've decided to dig a big hole in my yard. If you get chickens, they will dig big holes and make them their bathhouse. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chickens over there. Digging. This is how they take a bath. They don't take a bath like ducks in the water. They take a bath in dirt. And they make big holes. So if you get chickens, you have to be aware. This is what will happen. If they're free range, though, will make holes all over the place. Okay. Oh, so you see, she wants that black and white one. Wants to take over the whole place. Well, now you can't see her, but she's chasing the chickens out of their hole. Well, I guess this is enough for chickens for today. So if you have free-range chickens, well, they will make holes all over the place. That's probably why people keep them contained. But I don't. I'll just go around and fill the holes back in. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.